Certainly. The United States of America is a diverse and dynamic country with a wide range of attractions and qualities. Here are 25 of the best things about the USA. 1. Cultural diversity. The USA is a melting pot of cultures, ethnicities, and backgrounds, creating a rich tapestry of traditions, cuisines, and languages. 2. Natural wonders. From the Grand Canyon to Yellowstone National Park, the USA boasts some of the world's most breathtaking natural landscapes. 3. Innovative spirit. The country is a global hub for technological advancements, scientific discoveries, and innovative industries. 4. Higher education. The USA is home to many prestigious universities and colleges, offering top-tier education and research opportunities. 5. Iconic landmarks. The Statue of Liberty, Times Square, Hollywood Sign, and Golden Gate Bridge are just a few of the country's iconic landmarks. 6. National parks. The national park system preserves stunning landscapes, allowing for outdoor activities like hiking, camping, and wildlife viewing. 7. Culinary variety. American cuisine reflects its diverse population, offering a wide range of regional specialties and international dishes. 8. Entertainment industry. Hollywood, Broadway, and the music scene provide world-class entertainment and cultural experiences. 9. Sports culture. From American football to basketball and baseball, sports play a significant role in American culture. 10. Historical significance. The USA has played a pivotal role in world history, from the Revolutionary War to the Civil Rights Movement. 11. Entrepreneurial opportunities. The country fosters a culture of entrepreneurship, enabling individuals to pursue their business ideas. 12. Space exploration. The USA has been at the forefront of space exploration, with NASA's achievements making significant contributions to science. 13. Political democracy. The United States democratic system has inspired nations around the world, emphasizing individual freedoms and rights. 14. Artistic expression. American artists, writers, and musicians have made substantial contributions to the global art scene. 15. Global influence. The USA's economic, political, and cultural influence has a profound impact on the international stage. 16. Festivals and events. The country hosts a diverse range of festivals, parades, and events celebrating various cultures and traditions. 17. Technological innovation. Silicon Valley and other tech hubs drive technological breakthroughs that shape the modern world. 18. Scenic drives. The USA offers scenic drives like the Pacific Coast Highway and Route 66, showcasing the country's beauty. 19. Maritime heritage. The country's coastal regions have a rich maritime history, with picturesque harbors and seaside towns. 20. Friendly people. Americans are known for their warmth, hospitality, and willingness to engage with visitors. 21. Museums and galleries. The USA is home to world-class museums and galleries, showcasing art, history, and science. 22. Community spirit. The USA's strong sense of community is evident in local events, volunteer efforts, and neighborhood gatherings. 23. Incredible music scene. From jazz and blues to rock and hip-hop, the USA has been a breeding ground for influential music genres. 24. Epic road trips. The vast landscapes make road trips an adventurous way to explore the country's diverse regions. 25. Freedom of expression. The USA values freedom of speech, allowing for open dialogue and the exchange of ideas. These are just a few of the many things that make the United States of America a remarkable and multifaceted nation. Whether you're interested in its natural wonders, cultural offerings, or historical significance, the USA has something for everyone to appreciate and enjoy.